And this is my favorite pan. This is the non-stick stainless skillet. This is the 12-inch skillet. And why is it my favorite pan? Because it is a hybrid pan. It is a stainless steel pan. See how much I use it? It is a stainless steel pan, but it also, let's see if you can you see the mesh in there? So this stainless steel mesh, let me try to get it in the light. There we go. The stainless steel mesh is a non-stick, but the stainless part pops up so that you can have a non-stick pan that also sears. So if I'm making shrimp or I'm making a chicken dish or I'm making a stir fry and I want to brown something first, I can brown something and like on medium high, and then I can turn down the heat and I can cook it, I can simmer it. It comes with a lid. I'm telling you guys, this is the pan that does it all. And it's a lot of people's favorite pan. It also goes into the oven. I do not put it in the dishwasher. It can go in the dishwasher. You can also use metal tools on it. I always think that cookware that is easy to clean, and this is, there's no need for it to go in the dishwasher. Dishwashing detergents are very harsh, but I will tell you, you will use this pan every single night.